The white-lipped peccary is a medium-sized hoofed mammal native to the Americas, primarily found in tropical and subtropical regions. Its name derives from the distinctive white markings around its mouth, which contrast with its otherwise dark brown or blackish coat. This species is closely related to other peccaries, a group of mammals that resemble pigs but belong to the Taxonomy family. Unlike true pigs, peccaries are native to the Americas and have unique anatomical features, such as a scent gland on their back. The white-lipped peccary is primarily found in Central and South America, ranging from southern Mexico to northern Argentina. It inhabits a variety of ecosystems, including tropical rainforests, dry forests, savannas, and even mangroves. However, it is most commonly associated with dense, undisturbed rainforests where food resources like fruits, seeds, and roots are abundant. This species plays a crucial ecological role as both a seed disperser and a prey item for large predators, such as jaguars. Unfortunately, habitat loss and hunting have caused significant population declines in some regions, making conservation efforts critical for its survival. The white-lipped peccary is not a type of pig, although it shares some similarities with pigs and is often mistaken for one. Peccaries belong to the family Taxonomy, whereas pigs are part of the family Suidae. These two families are related and share a common ancestor, but they diverged millions of years ago, evolving into distinct groups. One key difference is their geographic origin. Pigs are native to the Old World, while peccaries are native to the New World. Anatomically, peccaries have a few unique features that set them apart, such as a scent gland located on their back, which they use for marking territory and social communication. Peccaries also have smaller, straighter tusks compared to the curved tusks of pigs. White-lipped peccaries are technically edible, and they have been hunted for food by indigenous people and local communities in their native range. The meat of the peccary is described as lean, dark, and somewhat gamey in flavor, similar to other wild mammals like deer or boar. However, hunting and consumption of white-lipped peccaries can be controversial, especially in areas where their populations are threatened by habitat loss and hunting pressure. In some regions, the white-lipped peccary is considered a source of protein, though hunting of the species is increasingly regulated or restricted due to concerns about population declines. As with any wild animal, the safety and sustainability of consuming peccary meat depend on the legal status of hunting in the area and whether the species is being harvested sustainably. In many cases, conservation efforts focus on protecting the white-lipped peccary and its habitat to prevent overhunting and to ensure the species' survival in the wild. The white-lipped peccary is a robust, medium-sized mammal with a compact and muscular build. Its body is barrel-shaped, which helps it navigate dense vegetation and provides endurance for long-distance travel in search of food. These animals are well suited for their forest habitats, with short, sturdy legs that allow them to move quickly over uneven terrain and through dense undergrowth. The coloration of the white-lipped peccary is primarily dark brown or black, with coarse bristle-like fur covering its body. A defining feature of this species is the white or pale-colored patch around its mouth, from which it gets its name. This marking stands out sharply against its darker fur, making it one of its most distinctive traits. Additionally, some individuals may exhibit lighter patches on their neck or chest, adding subtle variations to their appearance. The white-lipped peccary is larger than other peccary species. Adults typically weigh between 25 to 40 kilograms and measure around 90 to 130 centimeters in length, including a short tail. Standing at a shoulder height of approximately 40 to 60 centimeters, their stocky, low-profile build makes them well adapted for life in dense forests. The white-lipped peccary is known for its agility and endurance, making it well suited for life in dense forests and open landscapes. Although not exceptionally fast compared to some predators, it can run at speeds of up to 35 kilometers per hour when fleeing from danger. This burst of speed, combined with their agility and ability to navigate rough terrain, helps them evade predators such as jaguars and pumas. Their strength and stamina are also essential for their migratory behavior, as they often travel long distances in search of food and water. Behaviorally, white-lipped peccaries are highly social animals, living in large herds that can range from 50 to over 300 individuals. These herds are tightly knit, and members communicate using a variety of vocalizations, including grunts, barks, and low-frequency sounds, which help maintain group cohesion. They also rely on their acute sense of smell to communicate and identify one another, aided by a strong musk gland on their back. Despite their generally peaceful nature within the herd, white-lipped peccaries can be aggressive and defensive when threatened. If a predator or intruder approaches, the herd may band together, clashing their teeth loudly as a warning signal and charging in unison to intimidate or fend off the threat. This coordinated defensive behavior, along with their strong social bonds, makes them formidable despite their relatively small size. Their collective movement and foraging often leave noticeable trails and signs of their presence, as they are known to uproot vegetation while searching for food. The white-lipped peccary is an omnivorous forager rather than a skilled hunter. Its diet primarily consists of plant material, making it a key seed disperser in the ecosystems it inhabits. Fruits are a staple of its diet, with peccaries consuming a wide variety depending on seasonal availability. They also feed on seeds, nuts, roots, and tubers, often using their strong snouts to dig into the soil or leaf litter in search of food. This foraging behavior plays a vital role in shaping the forest floor and aiding in plant regeneration. While the white-lipped peccary is not a predator in the traditional sense, it will occasionally consume small amounts of animal matter when the opportunity arises. This can include insects, small vertebrates, or even carrion, making them opportunistic feeders. Their diet reflects their adaptability to different habitats, from tropical rainforests to savannas, where food availability can vary greatly. In terms of hunting-like behavior, white-lipped peccaries display remarkable coordination when searching for food in groups. Herds often move as a cohesive unit, covering large areas in search of fruiting trees or other resources. Their ability to communicate and work together allows them to efficiently exploit food sources, sometimes overwhelming smaller animals or other herbivores competing for the same resources. This collective foraging strategy not only ensures the survival of the herd but also highlights the critical ecological role of the white-lipped peccary in maintaining forest biodiversity. The white-lipped peccary is a highly vocal animal, using a wide range of sounds to communicate within its social groups. These vocalizations serve critical purposes, including maintaining cohesion in their large herds, signaling danger, and coordinating movements. Grunts and low-pitched growls are the most common sounds they produce, functioning as contact calls to keep track of other members in the dense forest. These calls are frequent and rhythmic, helping individuals stay connected even when visibility is limited. When alarmed or threatened, white-lipped peccaries produce loud clacking or chattering sounds by rapidly gnashing their teeth. This unique behavior not only serves as a warning to the herd but also acts as a deterrent to potential predators. In addition to these defensive sounds, they emit sharp barks or squeals during moments of distress or confrontation, particularly when cornered or separated from their group. Interestingly, their vocalizations are often accompanied by other forms of communication, such as scent marking and body language. Together, these signals reinforce their complex social dynamics, enabling them to thrive in large herds. The combination of their distinctive sounds and strong group interactions highlights the importance of communication in the white-lipped peccary's survival and social structure. The white-lipped peccary has a relatively flexible breeding pattern that varies depending on environmental conditions and food availability. Unlike some species with strictly defined breeding seasons, white-lipped peccaries can reproduce year-round in tropical habitats where resources are abundant. However, in regions with more pronounced wet and dry seasons, reproduction often peaks during or just after the wet season when food, such as fruits and seeds, is plentiful. This ensures that nursing mothers and their offspring have access to the nutrients they need for survival. Females reach sexual maturity at around 1 to 2 years of age, and after mating, they experience a gestation period of approximately 150 days. Typically, a female gives birth to a litter of 1 to 3 piglets, although 2 is the most common number. Piglets are born well developed, with their eyes open, and they quickly integrate into the herd. The entire group plays a role in protecting and nurturing the young, as the species exhibits strong social bonds and cooperative behavior. Breeding success in white-lipped peccaries is closely tied to the stability of their environment. Habitat destruction, hunting pressure, and food scarcity can disrupt their natural reproductive patterns, leading to population declines. Despite their adaptability, the species relies on intact forests and consistent food supplies to sustain their complex social structures and breeding dynamics. Conservation of their habitat is therefore critical to ensuring their long-term survival. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.